If you're after a louder, more aggressive exhaust note and a cleaner tucked under look for your 2014 to 2018 5.3 liter Silverado 1500, the Flowmaster FX Extreme single exhaust system with a turn down exit is definitely worth checking out. This setup is going to be perfect for truck owners who want deeper sound, improved flow, and a design that keeps everything out of sight while giving you better ground clearance with departure angles. The standout feature here is always going to be the sound with Flowmaster FX, so let's get right into it. On the Wake the Neighbor scale, we're going to have to give this one a 4 out of 5, since this Flow FX Extreme system is one of the loudest in the Flow FX lineup from Flowmaster. It's designed to deliver a powerful, aggressive tone both inside and outside the cab. So if you're someone who wants to hear that V8 roar every time you hit the gas, this is absolutely gonna deliver. The system uses a straight-through muffler design that reduces the back pressure and increases the exhaust flow, which helps give you better throttle response and a more free-breathing engine. While you shouldn't expect massive power gains, you will notice improved engine tone and a possible slight bump in performance and efficiency thanks to that reduced restriction of airflow. While we aren't going to dyno this muffler ourselves, Flowmaster claims on their website you're going to get a max 18 horsepower gain and 9 foot-pounds of torque over the stock at the rear tires. The turn-down style dump exit right after the muffler eliminates the axle over tailpipe, and this elimination of the tailpipe helps improve ground clearance and departure angle when you're driving over more extreme off-road situations. That turn-down design here at the rear is going to help amplify the aggressive tone, since the sound reflects off the pavement right below the truck and bounces back up to kind of give you a louder sound. This entire system is going to be built from 409 stainless steel, so you're getting strong corrosion resistance and long-lasting durability. The 3-inch mandrel bent tubing ensures smooth exhaust flow and helps prevent any unnecessary restrictions or turbulence in the system. The Flow FX muffler itself is compact and straight-through unit that's fully welded. It's built to hold up to the heat and vibrations of daily use or aggressive driving. The hardware and hangers are all going to be included in the kit. It's all built to OE style specs for a secure fit. Now, as far as pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in that upper $300 price range. That makes it one of the more budget-friendly options for a full stainless catback with this aggressive of a sound. Considering the construction quality and how much tone you're going to be getting out of it, it's a solid value for the money in my opinion. Alright, as far as installation goes, we're going to rate this one a 2 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in just 2 hours of your time. This is going to reuse your factory hanger locations, and it's going to include all the hardware that you're going to need for the install. Now let's see exactly how this goes with an install video from one of our American Trucks customers.
Tools you're going to need: ratchet, 15-inch socket, deep, short, doesn't matter. Decent flathead screwdriver to help you pry. I use a Sawzall. There's other ways to do it with a 12-inch blade. Make sure it's a metal blade. You can probably get it with a 9. I just did 12 to be safe. Some kind of wire brush so you can clean that up. An extension cord if you need it. You might not need one. All right, we got a 2015 Chevy Silverado. We're gonna install a Flowmaster Flow FX axle dump catback. First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna cut it right here as close as you can. The same thing on the backside, as close as you can to the muffler with the Sawzall, or whatever you prefer. I'm just gonna use the Sawzall because I think it'll be a little bit easier for me. Nice and flush. Then you're gonna take your hangers off right here, so the backside should just fall down. You got a third one right here too. This is the muffler, you're just gonna slide it right on that tailpipe right there. Use this to clamp it on. It's a 15 millimeter, tighten that bolt up. Slide it in these keepers first to help you stabilize it. The old tailpipe and the muffler got the same exact diameter, so you're gonna have to stretch this out a little bit somehow. Probably wanna sand this down a little bit too, make it slide on easier. So basically it got a little too close to the welds there and it left some of the weld on there, so took the Sawzall to it again, just to get it off of there. Then you're gonna wanna get yourself some kind of little wire brush or something, clean all this dirt and dust and grime off of it. And slide it on as far back as you can get it. Right there in the clamp. And after that, you're gonna take your two little retaining clips and slide them right on the sides of these. That way your hanger will come out. Use your socket to help it slide on so you don't cut your fingers. That's it, you're done.
All right, that wraps up our review and install of the Flowmaster FlowFX Extreme single exhaust system with a turn down exit for the 2014 to 2018 5.3 liter Silverado 1500s. And for all things Silverado, keep it right here at American Trucks.